Hi guys, so today I'm going to explain you geolocation, drag and drop, and web storage example. So what's geolocation API? So it's when you want the location of the user. So if a press get location, so use your location wants to saying it's just writing my URL and wants to know your location and it's now asking some things. I can choose never allow this time. So like choose and you're watching it's printing it. And now if I reload it and get location, it's giving it. But if I remove it and reload it, now got location. So it's saying get to the light, user denied the basic permission can ask for location. Reload and now for basket location. Want to allow while visiting the site, allow this time never allow. And you're watching it's running now, you should know it. And this is the drag and drop AI. I could just drag this over here. And this box can't be dragged any other place. Okay, and I can enter some data over here, which is web storage API. So if I write just my anything I can write, I'm just trying to give you. So it's write data saved, and after that, it's loaded the data, saying stored data is empty data over here. And this is how this works. So now here's the code. So so here I have just written some style hash drag one and hash drag zone, which I've styled it by using style tag. And after that I have an h1 headings. After that I have an h2 headings. And on click I am calling the getLocation function and which is created into which and here it just id is equal to location and it's empty and I will change it to HTML using the user says word. So first I have created the function getLocation and navigator.geolocation and navigator.geolocation and here oh, it has code. Oh, oh, oh. And after what happened? Okay, so I have and it's after that else document dot if it gives the location so it's doing the operation which you want else it would it's it would print dot in which middle is duration is not supported by this browser and after that now I've created the show patient function and I have setting it by location and after that I have set it in the HTML equals now it's latitude plus position dot plots latitude and after that it should add this and now I have and show error which shows the error and after that like for timeout and and after that, I have a drag and drop AI. First, I am aligned the draggable and on drag start equals I'm calling this function and drop zone and this is the drop event and allow drop event. And after that, I have created the function and after that I've created the function tab drag and after that I've created the function drop and then I've closed the script tag. After that, there's web storage API, which should be errors on data, and I'm asking the text. And on click save data, I'm calling the save data function, which is over here. And after that, load data. So save data on local storage and set element item my data, comma data. And after that, my data, comma data, and alert after that it loads data save. And after that, if I press the load data, so it's loading the data which is first I'm getting the item. First I'm setting the item, now I'm getting the item by my data. It's data. I have to tell it that and if data because it's upgraded the virus, so if it gets through, so it's just printing the store data and else no data is printing no data found. And this is the HTML code and this is the API for today and API the topic for today and keep practicing and keep learning and you will master all these topics by practicing and here there's an append chart which is adding the code into HTML. I forgot to tell you what does append chart do. So append child and append parent class. And these are two harder topics, so I will explain to you in another video. So keep practicing and keep learning. Bye!